Just wanted to hop on here and give you a quick high definition video of what we just traded for right here at the Trading Post. 2019 Subaru Crosstrek, charcoal in color. I'll give you a slow pan around it, no major dings, scratches. This thing is clean. Just under 100,000 miles, Carfax certified, 0 accidents. We have all the service records. It does have the eyesight technology that everyone's looking for with the lane departure, automatic cruise control, collision avoidance. It does have the Subaru WeatherTech mats in it from Subaru. I would say above average new. Look how clean this thing is on the inside. That's why I want to do the high definition video so you could see. It also has the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, systematic all-wheel drive, backup camera, Pandora. Again, above average new. We do all of our financing right here to make it easy for you. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all, no problem at the Trading Post. We can get you approved. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com. Click Get Approved Now, put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business here at the Trading Post by my family. Great people, awesome prices. A 19, above average condition. This is a lot of Subaru Crosstrek for your money. See your eyesight technology. 828-464-0600 or tradingpostcars.com. Come check it out before it's gone. Here at the Trading Post.